This is Thursday, April the 9th, about 5 p.m. It's an overcast day, about 70 degrees. There's no wind right now. There was quite a bit of wind earlier today, but for some reason in the last hour the wind has died down. I'm at our Sycamore project and just wanted to give a quick update. We've had the water turned on. The utility company was out this morning to get the water meter lock removed and turned on. We've now had a hose bib installed so that we can have water while we're working here at the job site. And then of course once the plumber comes and does the rough in, he'll connect here and we'll have a hose bib up at the house. But for right now we need one here so that we can get water on the lot. We've had about 300 yards of dirt brought in, which is what we need. And now our grading company is going to come out and start pushing this dirt around and build us up actually two pad sites. This is a double wide lot. This lot is 100 feet wide, which is actually two 50-foot lots. And we're going to make two pad sites here, one on each of the 50-foot lots. So right about where I'm standing is the center, so we'll have a swale in the center, and then we'll have a pad site on this side, and we'll have a pad site on this side. And our grading company is going to come and build those pad sites for us, which is going to raise our lots up about 6 to 8 inches. Not a whole lot, but just enough that we can get good drainage from the houses. And when they build those pad sites up and they spread the dirt, they have to compact it and moisture condition it. So that's why we had the water delivered, or the water installed, so that as they're spreading this dirt and rolling it, they can water it and compact it. And that way it becomes a good, stable subsurface for the foundation. And that's our update for today.